was the beginning of your stay?
It was good.
Yes?
We actually stayed at 2 different hotels before this.
I know. How was it? It was nice?
It was nice.
You will see us, it's much better. No, it's So also let me introduce you, Poema, our assistant photo fit manager,
Yes.
and Nicola, our manager from food and beverage department.
Okay. Nice to meet you. Sorry, I'm just documenting all of our travels, right?
Nice to meet you, man.
So thank you. I'm good. How are you?
Please, Madame and sir, if you can follow me. And let me present you also Marc-Antoine, one of my colleagues from the front desk, also if you need anything during
Okay.
the stay.
Yes, thank you.
I can't help but feel good. I can't help but feel fine. Everything is in its place and everything is mine.
How was the beginning of your stay?
It was good.
Yes?
We actually stayed at 2 different hotels before this.
I know. How was it? It was nice?
It was nice.
You will see us, it's much better. No, it's
I can't help but feel good. I can't help but feel fine. Everything is in its place and all of it is mine.
So now we're gonna go on the reception just to fill up a quick form. And I'm gonna present you all the features of the hotel. So the luggage will be directly dropped on your room. So I'm gonna make a tour with you of a resort with our golf cart,
Okay.
and then you can relax.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Hello.
So also let me introduce my colleague Ming. She will take care also of your check-in.
Yes,
If you
hello.
need anything, I'm here also.
Okay.
I can't help but smile.
So over here you have a one swimming pool and a beach and spa you can use anytime you want, and over there is our private beach.
I can't help but smile.
You can check some activities in the resort. This one is my favorite tour, Shark and Ray. So you're gonna swim with a shark and touch a stingray like this one. The turtle center's information is right here. So every day 10:30 have a turtle feeding show.
Reinventing myself. I'm me and nobody else. I'm reinventing myself. I'm me and nobody else. Ooh, I can't help but smile. Ooh, I can't help but smile. Ooh, I can't help but smile.
All right, thanks,
Yeah, so
Nick.
thank you.
It was nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you
Thanks for
too.
showing us around. So
Nice to
really
meet you.
appreciate it. Thank you.
So let me know if you need some like a service or something else or some information. Enjoy again and see you later.
All right, thank you.
Ooh, I can't help but smile. Ooh, I can't help but smile.
So I have to move the coffee machine because we are cheapskate and we're gonna eat cup noodles.
This is as real as it gets. So the problem we see, here, they don't have enough power outlets. And also a tip, make sure to buy a converter when you guys go to Bora Bora. They don't have 110 or 115. So just charge one device at a time, which is not good because we have cameras, we have laptops.
Other than that, the room is really nice.
Yes.
They made use of the small space that they had here. The problem was sometimes if the wind is so strong or if someone passes through the bridge, you will feel like
The
shake.
vibration, yeah. So tonight I'm going to shoot an astro time lapse or time lapse at night. The good thing about this is we can see Mount Otemanu. It was here earlier, we have our own space, so I can get a time lapse shot of this later on.